Hey Fit Fam, today I'm going to show you the hanging knee raise progression. Stay tuned.
I refuse to be outworked.
The first progression is floor knee raises. We'll start from the ground up. Get you a nice mat and lay on the floor and then follow these instructions. First, start with your legs straight out. Next, you'll bring your knees to your chest. And then your final focus is going to be getting your butt off the floor. From the floor knee raise, you're going to progress to the captain's chair knee raise. With this, make sure you come to a complete stop at the bottom. You don't want to use momentum and just swing and jerk your knees up and down. Next, just like on the floor, get your butt off the platform. This is very important. Once you're able to do about 10 to 15 of these without a problem, you can add a dumbbell for extra resistance. As I said, it's all about the progression. Finally, the hanging knee raise. Very similar to the on the floor knee raise and captain chair knee raise. Come to a full stop at the bottom. Don't swing your body. Next, bring your butt up. It applies to each one of them for the progression, as does for this also. And as I said, do not use momentum. Don't swing your body. Come to a complete stop at the bottom and then back up. And finally, you add extra weight for extra resistance. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the end now, guys. Hey Fit Fam, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe right here. If you want a video just like this, please click right here. And if you want to see my newest video, please click here. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?